You join me at the Thought Park Resort. I just wanted to start a video in the car park because you can see Hyperia there. It's not even the main bit of the ride, and that is so tall. I was astonished when we drove up the car park. It's so big. Top of the entrance now. We've got this thing advertising Hyperia. And that's for next year. Oh my lord. That is dominating the skyline already. And it's only, what, 165 feet tall. Also, I found that out from Jack's Silk Zone, so if you want some behind the scenes footage of Hyperia being built, go check out Jack's Silk Zone. I'll link him in the description below. He's an absolute legend. So just walk downstairs here at Get Services. But look at that! Look at that! That's massive! We're going to go straight over to Hyperia so we can go have a look at it, because I'm that bursting to see how big it is in person, because it is massive already. It looks so cool. I mean, it's so nice to see Matt Trapp finally here on Park after, it feels like ages, 2 or 3 years of waiting. We finally got it being built, and we'll be riding it next year. I cannot wait. Big ride. Big ride. Big ride. How is it physically possible? It's like literally legal to exist. Plus, over there, the station's also going up, which is quite good. Right, look how tall that is. That's taller than Saw. How? There's the station, there's the maintenance shed. I doubt we'll be able to be here when a thing comes by, but that would be cool if we were. So we've been on a couple of rides since the last time we were here, and now the crane's extending, which means that a piece of track will hopefully be going in, finishing off this overbank upside down corner thing. First of its UK. First of its UK. First of its kind in the UK, which will be very exciting. Because this element, I saw the first POV and I thought, what? What? How is this possible? I've now seen it in the UK. I'm definitely still thinking that. I don't know. It's crazy. Absolutely mental. It'll be interesting to see because just out here outside of Hyperia. Obviously, you will walk either through here or through just over there. It'll be interesting to see if they decide they're going to remove these kinds of creek railway lines or if they're going to keep them for heritage. I reckon they'll probably take them out in the closed season. Also, I've got to mention, it is the last day of Thorpe's main season, so that's quite exciting. We accidentally planned it. The crane is not going down, so I'm guessing it's picking up the track and then lifting back up. Hyperia's top little bit has lift off. It's now going up. Wow. That's a sight to see. Just a track dangling from the street. So that track is going to go all the way up there into that place. About what, 50 feet off the ground? Right over here to the right. Just goes up. People are also going up now. have currently just moved spots and it's completely pouring it down now. And I don't want to be out in that wet. So I'm just under the Burger King canopy thing. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe and go on. One thing to say to you, see you all. See you next time. Goodbye.